Are you trying to find ways to be active at work? Maybe you sit all day at a desk, or you have some other kind of job. Maybe you just have a little stress and you need to relieve that stress. Well, I got something great I want to show you. Have you ever thought about getting an Underdesk Elliptical? Yes, there is such a thing. Yes, it is. And it helps to promote good circulation, keep your muscles active. It is a wonderful, wonderful product, and I want to show you how to use it. I want to tell you about the features, and I think you're going to love it. This is everything that comes with it. This is right out of the box. You can see that it's not really a huge item, but is very portable, and all of the pieces are right there for you to use, and the user manual. So now I'm set and I'm ready to go. I have put the batteries in here that come with it, and this is the actual remote. You're going to push power like that, and you can see that it comes on. And then you're going to come over here. This is start, stop. This is the direction that you want to go. You can go forward and backward. Keep that in mind. And here's the mode button. So the mode button would be, this is where you can start. And then all we got to do is just start going. And look at this. Look at me going to town. I love this. And, you know, I've just retired, and I would have loved to have had this at my desk at work. It would have really kept my circulation going. When you sit a long time, you really need to think about things like that. And this does have different speeds. You can speed it up or not. If you're gonna go up, see, it has different ones that go up and down. I just really love this thing. And I think I'm going to really enjoy using it. And you know what? It can go in reverse as well. Now, I have sped it up just a little bit. This button right here, you can go in reverse. So let's see if we can get it to do that. Oh, there it stopped. Now you're going backward. So see, this is really good if you're sitting all day. Blood circulation is so important. I used to have to get up and walk, but if I'd have had this at my job, I probably would have not had to do that as much, because this actually is a cool product. I really do like it. And I think I'm going to enjoy using it a whole lot. Okay, what do you think? I think it is a keeper. I think I'm going to enjoy it. I think I'm going to get my mother-in-law for her to try it, because she is 88 years old and she does use a walker, and I think this will help her circulation a lot. And I'm so excited that I have found something that I can sit and do the same thing. I'm not working anymore. I am retired. So this product would have been great to have under my desk at work. I think you should think about that, okay? Keep yourself active and you're gonna live a lot longer. All right, guys, I hope you try it. See you later.